video tutorial 3 is about updating website pages. So this is the tutorial video on how to update the pages on your website. So if you want to update the pages of your website, you can click on this icon, the icon with the documents, or let's say pages. So let's click on it. So right here, these two are the main pages. We have about and services. So about page contains two sub pages, which are about docs and meet the team. The order right here is 1 and 2. And for services page, we have 3 sub pages. We have graphic design, system and website development as the second one, and more of our services as the third one. And for this one, this is actually this page is composed of an external link. On the previous video, I said redirect link. The exact term for it is external link. So we have a total of 5 sub pages right now in the page. So let's see how it shows on the website. So I will go to the docs website. Okay, so we have here the two main pages. We have about and services. Under about, we have about docs and meet the team, and we have services. We have 3: graphic design, system and development, system and website development, and more of our services, same as what we saw here. This one is more of a content page. So if I was check about docs, okay, you will see a content. Okay, and for the external link, this one will direct me to the list of our graphic design services. So if I will click on graphic design, it will show us all of our graphic design services. Same with the others. Okay. Alright, so that is the difference between having an external link and just having a content. Now if you want to add a sub page or a new page, you can always click on this green button to add a page. Now I just want to tell or inform our clients that the main pages are being controlled by the developer. Only the developer can add the main pages, and then once he add the main pages, that's the time that we can add our own sub pages. So we are only allowed to add sub pages here at this point. So let's say I want to add a sub page for the about section. So I will click on the green button, and you can select here. So right now we have a third page that is hidden. This is still not online, so only the developer has the control on it. So if you want to select to add a page under services, you can select services, but for now I will add a page under about. Okay, so once you've selected the main page, you can then add a name for your sub page. Let's say I will just say sub page for demo. Alright, okay, so once you set a name for your sub page, if you wanted to have an external link, you can type in the link here. So you can type the external link here, but let's say I will just use it as a content page. So this is where I will put the contents. So let me try to put a picture. I will go to Google and I will search for any picture. So I'm just going to use the Taiwan flag. I can click on view image here, or I can just simply right click on the picture itself and copy image address. And if you want to add a picture, you can simply click on this icon to add an image and then paste the URL that we copied a while ago, and then click anywhere on the this dialog box, and it will show the picture here. And to make it responsive, just remove the dimensions. So just erase the part on the width and it will automatically erase the height as well. So once you're done, you can just hit OK. So it's already here. Now if you want to add a text, let me say I will add a text at the bottom. Okay. So when adding a text, to make sure that it is following the correct format for the page, you can simply highlight it and click on this button, remove format, so that it will remove the format that is not the same with the website. So by default, it will follow the website's template that has been set on it. So let's remove the format and hit save. But before you hit save again, make sure it is online so that you can see the page, and then save. Okay, so we can see now 3 pages. Let's just arrange the order. This will be number 3, and I will just click on the modify button here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Now let's check the website. Let's reload the page. Okay, now we have here about, so we have the sub page for demo, the one that we added. So let's click on it to see the content, and you have it right here. You can see now the content that we added. So that's how simple it is to add a sub page for your website. Now if you're finished, done saving the settings, you can always click on the logo so that you will be redirected to the main page. Now a while ago I showed on how to add a page for your website. Now this time, let's say you want to remove the page that you added because you might not need that page anymore. So a while ago we added this page just for demo purpose, so I want to remove it from my website. So we have 2 options so that it will not show on the website. you can set it to offline so that it will not show, or you can permanently delete the page. So let me show you how to do it on the backend system. So going back to the page management button, okay, so this is the third page that I added for the demo. Now if I want to just, maybe I will, if let's say I want to use it in the future, I don't want to delete it forever, so I will just click on the pencil icon and I will hit offline and save. So let's see. So right now it's not already showing on the website. So let's say I want to delete it permanently because I don't need it anymore. So let's go back. Okay, now this is currently set to offline, but I want to delete it, so I will just click on the trash icon on the right side, and it will ask me if I want to delete the page. I will just click on OK, and it will remove it permanently. So that's how simple it is for you to remove the page that you added, or simply remove any pages that you don't need. So again, if you want to go back to the main page, just click on the logo on the far left hand corner and you'll be back to the main page.